All right. Is everything good? Test, test, test. All right. Let me see. Let's see. All right. Let me set up real quick. And then we're gonna go ahead and let's see what time is it? It's only 9:06, so I'm gonna get about like 4, 5, 6 minutes. Let people come in. Let's see. Let me set up real quick. Running a little late today again, so. Alright. Let's see. Yo, what's up? What's up? Alright, guys. But yeah, I'm waiting for about 5 more minutes for people to come in. But how are you guys doing today? I woke up not too long ago. Stayed up, trade New York. So everybody's still asleep at the trade house right now. So um, we stayed up, like the whole London session. Then we went to Waffle House and came back, trade New York session, and then I know everybody passed out like around I think around like 11 to 12. So it's definitely been a long night for everybody. So but yeah, and then most couple people are at the fair, Texas Fair right now. So half of them are asleep, half of them are out there having fun. So see, I think I think Jordan just woke up. Let's see, but I'm waiting for a couple more minutes real quick. Alright. So, nah, it's good. Let's see. Wait for it. Let's see. To stop being beaten. What? Hold on. Gotta find your account. Did you blow your account, bro? Why do you gotta refund your account? I see. Yes, sir. I told you, man. Yeah, Donovan really did. Hope he's at church right now, but I'm gonna get him on the stream with us, and I'll let you I'll let him like tell you guys what happened. You know, like how he took his like training to like the next level within a week. So yeah, it was pretty dope. So see you. So right now, AUD USD is looking really good, really good right now. So I might trade this tonight. To be honest with you, this right here looks really good right now. Um, uh-oh, hold on. There you go. This is what I need. I don't need this one. Thanks. See, I don't know. Like for me, AUD is kind of like it's pretty sketchy right now. Um, because since it broke through this, came back to retest, went back down again. I don't know. I don't know where's. Hold on. Let me. Definitely broke through my zone. This candle right here broke through my zone. Wow. Let's see. Where can we find on the zone? It would be nice. You got the 3 point. Let's see. Let me see what price you talking about. Alright. See 752. Oh yeah. Yeah, that would be nice. Yep. Yeah, I mean, like, I think it was right here. Whenever I told you guys, no, it was up here. So, um, but then, yeah, like I watched this whole thing happen. I don't know why I didn't trade. Um, but it's kind of been like testing out my theory that I've been working on. So definitely, it's definitely going really well right now. With the theory or the strategy that I'm using right now is gonna be in the academy that I'm currently working on. So it's definitely gonna be awesome. Let me get some water real quick. I'll be right back. Alright. Alright. I am back. Got some Kangen water and some cheese. So haven't ate anything all day, so I'll be snacking a little bit. How do you come up with a proper risk lot size? Really depends. I mean, honestly, in my personal opinion, is if you really know what you're doing, you know, you can use any lot size. To be honest, like I said, just be confident in your tray, and definitely your entry needs to be on point if you're gonna, you know, put in a higher lot size. But what's the bottom indicator call again? Also, um, let's see, TDI and RSI. I don't really use TDI that much, just because it's like, honestly, it's the same thing as RSI. It's just you're looking for divergence. That's all it is. So um so let's see. But I feel like TDI is just useless to me, honestly. It's just too much going on. But if you can just go off of RSI, that'd be even better. Let's see. What do you recommend? RSI, of course. RSI. Yep, sir. RSI. Hmm. But for Euro AUD, I mean, at some point, you know, it's definitely has to go up. Um, but I mean, if you think about it, if this, you know, if this is really going to, um, you know, come up to this, you know, to this trend line, then you would think, you know, if this were to go down, then this definitely has to go up. But then, you know, it broke through, um, it broke through this the support line. So, um, I guess, I mean, it's gonna stop right here, I'm guessing. But I want to see if there's a um if there was a zone down here that we can look at. So why do I just take that? Then I'll do 0. I should, yeah. But so this is gonna auto extend it. And then I'm gonna do this red. See, where is this thing? It's like, I really want to see it, because like, if you think about it, why didn't it go? I need to do like 2 more 0. uh, so there's no zone. Okay. Alright. Why is it not going? Okay, whatever. So there's zone right here. Definitely. Well, this definitely has been the lowest since this year, I guess. Yeah. Or yeah, around this year. So um hmm, let me look at so quick. So we might even see where it could, maybe come up here and then, make a downtrend from there. That's really, if it break, possible sell. Well, I mean, if it breaks, then, if it does break, then it would have kept, it would have keep going up, and then you would get in for a buy. But, um, I mean, I don't know. I really don't think this is gonna break it. I feel like this is gonna be a downtrend from here, and then it's gonna go up from there. Because if you think about it, um, you can't really see too well. So I'm gonna delete some of this stuff that I have right here real quick, so you guys can see it a little bit better. I know it's kind of messy, so just let's see what else. So that should be. I usually like to keep this up, but it's okay. I can do it again. Don't want that. Let's see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You already know. That's what I'm about to say. It's like I feel like it's gonna keep going up. Um, I mean, maybe even like if it keep going to this rate, it's um, actually if it breaks to down here, um, let's see. Hmm. But yeah, definitely, it could definitely go up. So it's starting from this quarter. So I mean, like, at least I definitely feel like it's gonna come up here at least, and then and if you keep going, and then from like what I've noticed lately is that it likes to go to like for example like major half to major half, and major quarter to major quarter, large quarter to large quarter. So I mean we might be seeing that go from here maybe like to up here, but like right here it's been going not too much on not too much sideways, so that's what we like. So definitely Euro AUD, I mean, um it's gonna take some time because one, a lot of people are, I'm sure there are a lot of people are trading this right now. So 3%, at least 5,000 positions are open. Um, like if you compare to that to this, it's nothing. Um, but it's still that's still a lot of people. The ratio of people that are buying. So let's see. Let me. Let's see. But but yeah. So that's again. That's really just my bias on Euro UD and AUD USD. Um, it's I think it's pretty simple. It's really just using just I mean like I'm just saying cause like okay, for example, um, for this right here, how I said okay, so this might if it comes up here, then this might bounce down. Okay, so then I look at that. Okay, well, what could happen? What could possibly happen if this breaks, and then it broke, and then now we have a trend line right here that could possibly be a downtrend from up here because of 1, 2, 3, 4, final push, and then goes down from there. You know what I mean? So that's this is first scenario, and then then you have your backup plan. Now you have this. So if this doesn't break, um, then it could go down from there. But then it broke again, and then come up here. So that's 1, 2, and then 3, 4. It's you gotta have game plan. Plan A, plan B, plan C, because if things go like didn't go the way that you want it, what are you gonna do? How are you gonna react to it? It's all about having a game plan before you even jump into the market. You know what I mean? So it's pretty much, if you go into the market without even a game plan, anything, you're pretty much riding a motorcycle with a blindfold. So obviously you're gonna crash. You know what I mean? So if you don't know where you're going, if you don't have a goal, you're gonna fail. You know what I mean? So that's really one of the most important thing that I wasn't able to accomplish throughout couple months of started trading. I like I said, I didn't have any guidance, anything. So I learned everything through from failing. I fail myself to success, like in trading. I mean, even though like I'm not like the best trader or anything, but like I think I know enough to like this makes sense. You know what I mean? So definitely I learned a lot through my failures. You know what I mean? So again, if you want to avoid that, have a game plan of what you want to do. So that way you're not, like I said, you're not going out there blindfolded. So but excuse me. But yeah, I mean, what do you guys think on AUD USD and Euro AUD? Do you think it's gonna respect the trend line and then goes down from there? What do you think? I mean, Joseph, what is your bias on that? If you're still in here. So let's see. Isn't it true when you have a heavy precision on certain direction, doesn't it usually go the way for stuff? Yeah, yeah, definitely. And that's really thinking about how the really just I feel like that's the psychology of like trading. It's like, okay, so you gotta observe of what everybody's doing, like the mass, like if you know me before, I always talk about observe the mass and do the opposite. With pretty much everything. Nowadays it's like like for example, everybody wants to go to school, get a job, but then if you see that everybody's doing that, so what kind of result are they getting? Really barely anything. So it's same as forex, is that if you look at what everybody's doing, okay, so everybody's buying, okay, so if you look this right here, um so you look, okay, obviously everybody's buying Euro AUD. So I'm sure there's like millions and billions of dollars, or I don't know, a lot of people are trading it right now, and they're buying it. But like I said, the market always try to take your money. You gotta understand that, and then, like, you're right, it always go. I feel like for me, I've noticed that it go, like, a lot of people buying, and then it'll pull back, 20, 30 pips to scare, either to scare people or to hit their stop loss, and then that's money in their pocket right there. So, with every time you get into a trade, look at community outlook or something where to see where, how many people are trading right now, or, in that position, how many buying and how many people are selling, because once you're able to identify of, or like, what everybody's doing, you kind of see, okay, well, I'm gonna step back a little bit and get, for the impatient people, to get the account to stop out, because it really is, it's really that kind of game of like, okay, you gotta be patient. Like, you gotta step back and, what, I'm just gonna get in on a retest. If anything, if it jumps up already, okay, it doesn't matter when, but when it does, okay, I already have the game plan. One, I can get back on a retest. No retest, no entry. Like, it's that simple. If you really want to be sure. Hey, brother, like, you learn hard by losing 8K. You told, yeah, exactly. I learned a lot. Like, I'm telling you, everything that I tell you guys, or like I share with you guys, I've used it before, and then I fail. So now I went back and I tweaked what can I improve to get really use this method more efficiently. You know what I mean? So everything that I do, like how I see the chart, it really is, from failing. It's because I've looked at, I'm telling you, and this is not recommended, but like I used to look at the chart for like 10 hours a day. Like, that's what I did to get where I am today. Now, that's not what I'm saying, for you guys to do. For me, like I said, I was in Thailand. I was working so much, so I didn't have time to get a mentor. I didn't have time to reach out to people. That's when, and that's when really I can see, what, anything can be learned. What I mean? Anything can be learned. So I'm gonna sit back and really work on myself, and how I can be the best version of myself, and how can I be the best, trader. Like, I mean, obviously, I want to, better my skill, but it's gonna take some time. But I'm still getting there. Like I said, like I only been trading about a year. It's coming up on a year. And I've learned a lot, so like I can't imagine like myself like 5 years from now, like what knowledge and like what I can do with the forex market, and how many lives can I change. It's just really what it's all about. It's how I can help people. Like if you have me on Facebook, I just posted, one of my student, Donovan Thompson, he hit 390 pips first week of trading ever. So it's that kind of results that it's a blessing, honestly, to be able to help other people financially. It's financially, we already know that it's one of the biggest things that one of the most important thing in our lives. So if I'm able to help you guys make $600, $1,000 a month, a week, a day, whatever it is, like I'm happy. So I was like, who's behind me? See. See. Yo, if you guys listen to Trap, definitely check this out. I love this mix. So definitely check it out if you listen to Trap. So, but yeah, let's actually what pairs are you guys looking at right now? Like I said, I've been scalping, this week's. I'm gonna be scalping this week, so I won't be trading Euro AUD or AUD USD. I really kind of want to see how how the market reacts, because I know that a lot of things is happening right now, so it's definitely affecting the market. So but I'm just trying to get in, get out, so not trying to stay in too long or day trade or swing trade this week. So it's wonderful. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, life is wonderful. It's beautiful. It's a blessing, to wake up and go outside, longboard, and just really get in fresh air, and then come back inside and just like spread love, knowledge, and you know wealth. It's just really what I do. I'll wake up, I'll go outside, drink some Kangen water, and just longboard. Just look around, enjoy life, and just really like think. It's just life is good right now. So let's see. Okay, so I bet a lot of people blew their account right here, though. Honestly, once it came down here, and then it like kind of retested and went back up. I feel like a lot of people bought into that. D trade? Yes, I do. Um, yeah, I mean, I've been looking at really just a yen pair. I've noticed lately that it's a lot. In my personal opinion, I feel like GBP JPY is a little bit more volatile than London session. Because I've been trading GBP JPY, and really nothing was happening. On the scalping side. Um, Everything was kind of going crazy, so it was, it's okay. But once New York hit, I was able to make um, you know majority of my money. So, but I did took couple trades throughout London session, but more of New York. So, oh, there you go. But yeah, what pairs are you guys trading right now? But like I said, I'm gonna be trading GP JPY. Um, or actually no, I've been scalping Euro JPY a little bit. It's and then actually let me check real quick. Let's see. USD JPY, GP JPY, CAD JPY, and AUD JPY. So I mean, pretty much just all the yen pairs. So it's I feel like the yen pair is pretty volatile. In different pairs in different session is more volatile than each other. So definitely GP JPY is really volatile, in my opinion, more volatile than during New York. Let's see. So actually I started um I had this account back in like I had this account for a while, and like I totally forgot about it. But I had like 20, like actually no, 15 $15 in it. So we'll see if I can flip that. So let's see right here. So I withdrew the one that I was trading a couple weeks ago. So I just like like I was trading a little bit last week, but I didn't know I had this account still. So I'm gonna be scalping with that just to practice it. So if I lose it, I'll lose it. So no big deals. Um, so if let's see. Actually, let's look at Euro USD real quick. Um, Still don't know what it's doing. Yeah, I don't really trade Euro USD as much. So I used to think it's super volatile, but it's really is. Hold on, what a miss. Okay. Um, I don't know. Like I feel like too many people trade it, and it's not worth of like winning. Honestly, Like, I mean, like, I can be impatient sometimes, but like, your USD is just like, I don't know. It's for me, I don't trade, so I don't really know how to like predict it. So, but I've been doing this one right here, getting in there. So, but that yep, yeah. GPJPY, you already know, pays the bill. So, um, let's see. Let's see what page should I look at right now? Actually, you know what? Let me pull up the scanner. See what's giving us right now. So let's see what the harmonic scanner. Let's see. Actually, you know what? Let me look at your USD real quick, cause I think John, you got into your USD for a buy. I'm not sure how that went. Let's see. Alright, so let me load it real quick. See the scanner. Then we got the IML Academy in this too. See. Funny load, so let me log in real quick. Uh, Alright. Let's see. Let's look at your USD. Actually, let me look at one. I think it was this one. So it went up, I think came back down, and then I guess, it may go up from there. Let me find the 1 hour one real quick. It's daily. I don't know if it has it anymore, but definitely on a 4 hour. So let's look at the 1 hour. Actually, no, it's 4 hour on this one real quick. So yeah, I mean the pattern definitely picked that one up. Let's look at 1 hour real quick. I don't know. I this may even go up a little bit more, but then the scanner calling it, it's gonna go down from there. So, I mean, you can maybe get back on a retrace, So I don't know. That's really up to you. But but definitely the scanner is bay. So again, if you don't know how to trade, um, or you just want, I guess easy money, I can say. But I mean, you do need to, learn a little bit of, forex and what everything does. But if you know what you're doing, and then combining with the harmonic scanner, it's definitely it's game over from there. So, it's something that we like to use, and it's effective. I think so. I mean, in my opinion, I really think this is something that definitely more value than it costs. So see, but other than that, like what page you guys may look at? You guys are y'all not trading today? Let's see, what days is I lost count of days. Uh, it's Tuesday, so I mean, man, I'm definitely trading tonight. Definitely be scalping. If I'm gonna do my buy limit up there, just in case, just in case if it push up a little bit more. Let's look at Euro USD. So definitely AUD USD. So everybody's selling right now. So and it has 13% of people that are trading this right now. So and we have 12,000 people, 392 positions are open for sell for AUDUSD. So that's a lot of people. That's maybe that's really. Look, I think it's more. Hold on. Let's see where to go. I just had okay. So total, yeah, it's like really like it's right up there with each other. So really, what you wouldn't be trading this, definitely have a cautions, because obviously you already know for Euro USD, I think John, he got in like right around here. Then maybe it went back up. I'm not sure what was your price. Okay, so it was right here. So John, is this why you had to refund your account? Oh, I think you said that you had to refund your account up there. Yeah, because it went up here, right? Or it just dropped. So again, drop to retest. So like everything, like I said, be cautious what trade you take. Really, and look, check this out. So you guys see, like I use RSI. What's that? Come on, get over here. Just gonna use RSI also. So actually I might change mine to 14, maybe 13. Ollie, you knock over the trash can, butthead. But yeah, like it might even go down a little bit more, and then maybe like finish right here and then goes up to retest. But other than that, like that definitely, tread with cautious, especially the popular pair, because once you already know that, the market's always going to test you. It's going to test your limit. It's going to test your patience. How can, and that's really it. Like all it is, if you're able to get, the concept of, okay, I need to be patient. Wait, let's see, what is it going to do? Wait for the retest. I mean, if you just, let's say that there's a midweek reversal, if you truly want to be cautious of what you're doing, like the trade you're getting into, just like get it on the retest. It's okay. Like there's still going to be 2-3 more drop, so definitely just be patient. If there's nothing set up for the day, then move on. Have a chill night, or study, read, meditate, whatever you want to do. Connect with people. If the opportunity is not there, the setup is not there, definitely stay away from the market. So definitely do not, we're not trying to be a market feeder. So I mean, like I said, if you're losing, someone else making money. So, and the people that actually make real money, like I'm talking about, like, $10,000 a day, like it's because they're patient. They're wait, they let the market come to them. They're like, you know what, this, hundreds of, position out there that you can get into. But again, it really depends when you get in, and how patient you are, with the market. um so like I said, like like I said, it might even come up here. Who knows? But if it does drop below this, or like down here, you already know I'm gonna get on a retest, and then I'm gonna sell it down. So because of this over here. So this is at the 50, so it's kind of on its sentiment line, or the market sentiment, something like that. um and it's as it's going, is a downtrend. Like if you look at, for example, right here, if you look at this, okay, so it's at right here, this is at right here, so this is at 65, about 65. Okay, yeah, so yeah, definitely 65. So as you look right here, okay, I'm gonna draw a eclipse right here. If you see how this is a reversal point, sorry about that, and down here is a reversal point also. So we can definitely do one right here, and then one right over here. So now that we're looking at this, okay, so when this is happening, this is probably like right around here, okay. So this, I'm gonna do this, a green one, and and this is right here. It's consolidating. It's consolidating. It's consolidating. Now it might, if you look at a small time frame, you might see let's say if this might even like go up here or something. Let's look on a 30 minutes. Let's see. So definitely it pull up on this one, pull up on this one. So we might even see what this, pull up to, maybe like to up here, right on this area. So this will be enough to get it up here, and then go down from there, make it down to 26. And then once it get down to 26, you can definitely get it, look into the buy position. I would have a zone. We'll just see the 25 and 30. Hold on, let me look at it real quick, because this might help you guys too if you want, start using RSI. Let me look. Yeah, 38 and 25. So if you have a zone down there, that you can, if you draw it up, you can definitely, once it go down, the price go down there, you already know that it's gonna bounce back up. So let's see. So, but other than that, that's really it for tonight. Let's see. I'm trying to see what I can give you guys some nuggets before I leave. Um, I think, yeah. I mean, I think that's pretty much about it. Like the going over the RSI. Like I said, I use RSI a lot. More than like you already know. I don't really use the indicators as much, but like once you're able to understand, how the market really move, and how everything kind of really works, like the rhythm of the market, the structure, better pick up from the, yeah, exactly. Then you're able to put tools and different strategies together and put in one. So yeah, like if this is gonna help me boost my my profit, then let's get it. I mean, if this is gonna help you, please take it and use it, and then make your money. Do what you gotta do. I mean, like this is like, honestly, all of this is out there on the internet. All I had to do was Google was my best friend. Like I'm telling you, like yeah, like like if you talk to like any like trader, anything, you're like there's nothing like this out there in the market. It's like yes, there is. There's tons and tons of articles and videos, everything out there for you to be able to profit from the forex market. There should not be a reason why if you don't know anything, you know, you can't look it up. You have to look it up. You have to do your research. You have to do your back test. You gotta fail your way to success. I'm telling you, if you do this, if you commit to this for at least 5-6 months, you're not like gonna believe how can your financial takes off. I'm telling you, and this is not just hold on. This is like a source of income like that where you don't have to worry about, okay, can I pay bill this month? Can I do this and that? Can I go eat the food that I love as much as I want? Like life is all about just experiencing different things. So if you're low on your score, then you might not able to get that chance. So we live in one life, and I'm gonna definitely do anything and everything I can to to really experience what I love. It's like I wanna go travel, I wanna go to a different state, I wanna go to a different country, do this and that. So how can I do it? I mean, some of this stuff, might not even be appealing to you guys, but look, sometimes we can't do the things that we're happy. We just have to do the things that are great. That's one of the quote that really stuck to me for the longest time. Do something it's great, not happy. Like obviously you gotta sacrifice some of the things that you like to do, and then then it's gonna pay off. It's gonna pay off. So it's definitely do your research. If you don't know anything, like for me, like I said, I don't have a mentor. And who is my mentor? Google. That's my best friend. So if you want to know anything, if you want to know how everything works, and this and that, Google it. See what can you get your hands into, because you might not know. Once you do research and this and that, you might find something that it really just click for you. And then that's what happened to me. I look, like I said, I study one strategy a day. Like I said, no one gave me any strategy. I just keep researching. Then I find a new things, this and that, and then it's the root. It's now my foundation is strong. In the forex market now, I'm able to give out knowledge. It's that's how it works. Google, Google, mentor ain't free to yeah, I mean definitely, what I'm saying, if you wanna fail your way to success and really find all the knowledge that you really want, and not for someone else, and just what I'm gonna do it myself. Like I said, anything can be learned. Like for me, obviously, I mentor people, and yes, it's not free, because why? I value my time. I put in like 10 hours a day. Like, you don't understand, I put 100, like maybe 100 plus a week studying alone. It's like literally every single day for 3 months straight, because I really want it. I did my research, I back test, I failed my way to success. And that's why I charge people. That's not because I want to take your money. It's because I value my time. If I'm gonna give you my hard work, I'm definitely I have to value my time. So like and if you want to get a mentor, just think of it as, it's your tuition to success. Really, like me, not having a mentor, so I didn't have to pay for that. So now I paid the market. It was an institute to my success through the market. So yeah, I mean it's yeah, definitely like speed your process. Exactly. And whatever I teach, excuse me, whatever I teach, I don't give, false information. I mean, I don't think it's false, because one, I've seen it happen. I've seen it work. Like I said, I back test my strategy. Everything that I do, I fail, and then I tweak it to where it works for me. Now, it might not work for you, but we all work differently. So, if we can get to where, okay, you know what, I trust myself to make a trade by myself, then you know what, you'll want to step ahead of, being even more confident in your trade. So, I said, you gotta practice. It's a journey. There's not a finish line in forex market. You know what I'm saying? There's not a finish line. There's always a journey. It's something new. Like, you can learn every single day to improve your skills. So I just you. Hey, if you want to keep using this, go ahead. Like, this is some of the stuff that I talk about. When I mentor. Whenever I do my one-on-one, but. Definitely, if you want to get really in depth of really how everything works, definitely hit me up. So we can definitely work on a deal or something like that. So, um, let's see. But other than that, if you guys don't have any more questions for me, I'm gonna call it a night, and definitely I'm gonna be trading all night, and then the rest of I'm gonna be trading London, maybe London. I don't know. I'm thinking about just trading, until 3. Depends on if there's any news. Actually, I'm in check news today. Uh, Let's see. So at 3 again. So there's a 3 again. So I might not even trade until 7. Honestly, 7:30, because like last night it was really slow. So, and I've been saying that London. I might even trade from like 11. Actually, might even start trading after this right here. So, but yeah, I'll be trading, and then until like 2 or 3. I'm gonna sleep, wake up, and then and then trade, and then I can actually have a normal day. I can do do outside activities. Like this morning. Like I said, I woke up today. Went outside, get on a longboard, and just really just enjoy the view, the life. So um yes sir, tomorrow night is here. Yep. Yeah, GPJPY. So, but again, I'm actually, you know what? I'm gonna show you guys them real quick. Uh, want to give a quick shout out to my boy, um, Donovan Thompson. Definitely, one of it's a lot of message. Definitely one of you know the fastest learner student like I ever had. Is he's definitely ambitious. He wants to he's trying to take his life to the next level. So like and, it's a blessing to have a skill set to help someone, really just help someone with financially. As you always see, it's he caught 390 pips in 1 week of like the first week he ever trade live anything. He didn't even, I don't think it went demo. He just went live, and obviously it's not recommended, but he's like, what, I trust myself. I feel that I'm confident enough to where what. And I didn't even trade with him. I didn't even know what pair he trade. It's like it was all on Donovan. So we just I just teach him, I just mentor him, and that's all I did. I didn't trade out with him at all. He did everything by himself. So it's a blessing to see. It's amazing to see how someone's life is literally changing week by week. So but yeah, 390 pips with 10 cents is 39, and then with $1 390, and then with a cent is $3,090, and then with 110 point, that's the $100 lot is $39,000. So yeah, definitely this is something that's very 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 powerful. Like, actually I just came up with this quote today. Is anything's possible, you just have to speak up. For him, he reached out to me. He wants to take his life to the next level, and boom, I made it happen within a week. You know what I mean? So that, like I said, that's the power of force. So let's see. No, I was have. How can we contact with the trade house? Message me. I'm like, you see up here, I am the founder of HEB Trade House, one of the original trade house that actually branched out from the DFW. But I'm at the DFW right now. I'm working with them for like at least about coming up on 2 months. It's something that I enjoy doing. Like I'm here every single day, reaching out to people. So, but yeah, um, truth spoken, I'm just gonna go by that. Yeah, definitely message me on Facebook. Um, and hey, actually, you know what? Yeah, definitely add me on Facebook, message me, and if you want to take your trading to the next level, definitely like message me, and because we're like I said, we're here to help in any kind of way. So if yeah, like I said, any anything is possible. You just have to speak up. Closed mouth don't get fed. So again, you know, say something. If you need help, say something. And if someone, if I'm not available, and nobody else is available, Google it. Do your research. You know what I mean? And like I said, all the information that I've learned is out there. I'm telling you, you can be, I guess a database here. Yeah, look. Uh, this right here. So this is our page here. So yeah, if you want, either go to hebtradehouse.com. I mean hebtradehouse, or message me. We can definitely get us started there. But again, but for that, you guys have a great night if you're trading. Like I said, let me know. Let me know your profit, and you guys have a great night. Peace.